Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a character from Ice Cream 4. This time it's going to be the very creepy looking mini rod. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this mini rod, a very creepy looking character, just like the other ice cream characters. Alright, so to begin, we're going to draw in his hard hat first. So we just draw one line across. So this is going to be the width of the hat. And then from here, on the bottom, there's one smooth curve. So that's going to be the visor area. And then now for the top section here, so this part's simple, we're just going to draw one smooth curve going up. So pretty much a half circle. Alright, and once we have this, we can add in some details. Let's add in 2 lines right in the center. And then right here, let's add one little U shape. And that's going to be the hard hat. Alright, so now let's come down and draw his head. So his head is just basically just kind of like a really sharp oval down here. So I'm going to start on the edge right here. Maybe I'll just draw a little bracket like this first, coming down. And then from here, keep going down, just make it a little bit sharper, all the way down to his chin, and we'll just close that off. Okay, so just draw like a kind of sharp U shape here. And now with the shape of the head, right in the middle of this, just draw a little oval on his side. This is going to be his nose. And let me shade that in real quick. I'm going to add a little highlight here. Let me shade it around it. It looks a lot better this way. Alright, and then once we have his nose, we're going to start on his eyes. So it's just right on top of this. Let's draw like 2 little curves going around it. That's going to be the bottom of the eye, and now we'll go up. Just at an angle, just going to curve it up. Alright, and then for his eyeball, just going to draw in kind of almost a full circle just on the inside. And let me shade around it as well. It'll look a lot creepier. And then I'm going to add one little dot right on the inside here. Okay, and once we have the eyes, let's go ahead and draw in his mouth. So right here, just underneath the nose, just one smooth curve. And then for his mouth, just kind of come in slightly. And then again, pretty much a sharp U shape. And then for his tongue, just draw one little curve like this. And then I'll shade in the inside as well. Okay, and then for those cheeks right here in the corner, on the sides I mean, just gonna draw 2 little circles. And let's see, lastly, for some details right here, I know he's got some cracks. So I'm gonna add in 1 little line here. Went toward the eye and then just 2 more lines. Alright, so that's the head, and now let's move on to the body. So he's gonna be holding these clipboard right here, so it's a little bit trickier. I'm gonna start right here for his shoulders. Just slant down. Just come down slightly. This will be the armpit area. I'm just gonna stop there. Now I'm gonna draw in his hand first. So just come down from here. Just draw a little oval. And then for his fingers, I'm just gonna add 2 lines like this. I know it's very strange, it's just kind of floating out there. Now from here, slant up and then just connect to the shoulder. So that's gonna be the arm. And then now for the little clipboard of paper that he's holding. Okay, just start here, at an angle, and then just kind of go out. Just turn it into a rectangle. Okay, so once we have that, now we can fill in the rest of the body here. So right here, I'm gonna continue down. This is gonna be part of his suit on the side. So come down, and then just kind of close this off. Now that we have the shape of the suit, let's see, we'll add in the details later. Let's go ahead and draw in this arm. So again, here's the armpit. Start here. I'm just gonna curve down, almost all the way down here. So here's his arm. Close it off. And then now for his hand, it's 1 little hook. 1 little line inside here. That's gonna be the inside of the palm. Here's the back of the palm, just come down. And then for his finger, just continue down. Just loop it back up, connect to that. And then we can add in 1 little bump here for the other finger. Okay, so let's add in the details right here in the suit. So let's see, you can come right in the center here, just come down. Just draw 1 line like this first. From the shoulders right here, connect to this. And now let's draw in the inside of the suit right here. It's got the shirt on the center. Slant down, and then for the tie, I'm just gonna start here. And then continue down. And I can shade this in real quick so you can see the tie a little bit better. Okay, so whatever you draw, just make sure you go behind the little paper there. All right, and to finish out the suit, just come to right around here. Just add 1 little angle like this. And then from these points, this one's gonna go up. And then this one is gonna connect to here. So this part's gonna be hidden. So whatever space you have here, just kind of fill it up. All right, so that's the suit, and let's see, his legs are really simple and very skinny as well. So I'm just gonna draw in 2 lines coming down. We'll close that off. So skinnier on the bottom here. And then now for his shoes, here's the back. And then this side is gonna go out a lot more. And then we'll just close this off. And that is it for this very creepy looking mini rod. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.